Hello children.
So today we are going to watch video 3 on plant life. But before that, let's recall the previous topic. We've been learning about the parts of the leaf. So it includes lamina, petiole, midrib, types of the leaves, simple and compound, arrangement of the leaves, alternate, opposite and whorled, venation, reticulate and parallel. So moving on to the today's topic is modification. What is a modification? A change or alteration, usually you make something to work better. It can be a foodstuff, or it can be a play kit, or it can be any object. So you just change or you alter to make it work better. So plants get their soil, water and all basic requirements, but yet still they undergo certain type of modification. So what is the purpose for them to go? They undergo completely or partially to carry out the special additional function. So under the modification can be seen in the root. You can see here the root helps in storage and support, and sometimes the leaves undergo the modification like tendril and thorns. The purpose for its production and support. So modification of the leaf includes 3 types. So one is a leaf tendril, leaf spine and scale leaves. The first one is a leaf tendril. The main purpose for its modification is to give support for the plant. So why does it give support? When the stem is weak and it is really hard for the plant to grow upright, it develops or it modifies the leaf into a thin wire-like coiled structure so that these tendrils coil around any substance around itself or near to it. Either it can be a plant or a wall or a fence for the purpose to climb up and grow. Example, pea plant, grapevine, pumpkin, etc. The second one is a leaf spine. The leaf spine is the leaves of certain plants wholly or partially modified for the defense purpose. It develops a sharp pointed structure called spine. The purpose of the development of the spine are to protect the plant from grazing animal, as well as to reduce the loss of water due to transpiration, especially the plants that grow in the desert area. Example, cactus, aloe vera and many more. The third one is the scale leaves. The function is to give protection and storage. It has got the name scale leaf because it is a shape of the scale. It is thin. So it is into a shape of a scale and help in protecting the buds or other inner parts of the plant. Example, onion and ginger. They also carry out the task of storing the food and water. So the food gets stored here. It gives a protection for the inner part, and in ginger these scaly leaves gives a protection to the bud. The next one is the leaf, which is really a weird to understand. The leaves totally modify into an insect catching plant to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. These plants normally grow in an area where the soil is little infertile. So here the entire leaf blade gets modified to a pitcher structure, a pitcher shaped structure to catch and digest the insect for the protein requirement. So this is a leaf base, this is a petiole, and the leaf, the entire leaf gets modified into a pitcher shaped structure. The second example in the Venus flytrap, where the leaf is get divided into 2 parts with the midrib acting as a central hinge. The hinge, you can take the example, the door, you close and you open. So once when the insect sits on the leaf, by attracted to the bright color, it gets closed and get digested with the help of the enzyme produced it. The main purpose is to get their protein requirement.